If you ask me, I strongly believe in homemade face masks. Like, it make your face plump, bright, clear, radiant. I mean, guys, what is not to like in homemade face masks? They are natural. They help revive your skin. They are very, very, very useful, especially for those of us that cannot afford expensive skincare products. So if you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, thumb up, and then let's continue. We are starting with baking soda. Today our face mask is kind of different from the others. Baking soda is very good when you are quickly looking for a way to clear your dark spots. But then you have to know how to mix it, because you can't just mix baking soda like that and apply it on your face. So normally lemon juice activates baking soda. So we are making use of half lemon juice in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This is a rather small batch. As you can see, when you put in your lemon juice, it will start to bubble. Yeah, I call it activating. So this face mask that you see will help with dark spots. That I guarantee you. It will help with your dark spot. It will help to give you brighter looking skin. And then it also helps in strengthening face muscles or anywhere that you apply this. Like, it's a great deal for anti-aging. It will help to clear your wrinkles and fine lines. It's very, very good face mask. So our next ingredient will be turmeric. This, if you are watching this channel, you know how I love turmeric in my face masks and some formulations. The curcumin in turmeric help to brighten your skin, give you that yellowish skin, and then detoxify your skin. So I feel like face masks are a natural way to have that luminous, glowy, bright, radiant skin without spending much. What do you think? So that is our turmeric right there. Then we'll go in with our next ingredient, which is our honey. Honey have antibacterial, antifungal property, which is very good when it comes to anti-aging, clearing dark spots, giving you luminous skin, giving you very, very healthy looking skin. So just find a good honey and then use 1 tablespoon. Like I said, if you cannot afford expensive skincare products, then stick to your naturals. These natural ingredients will help with all those skin issues that you are facing, being it dark spots, hyperpigmentations, being it very aged skin, damaged skin due to use of skin bleaching products, So all these natural remedies will help to revive your skin. And that is all for our mask. You see how creamy it looks. Apply it anywhere. You can put it on your face, on your hands, on your neck. Don't forget your neck always when you're making your facials. On your legs, knees, elbows, anywhere that you are facing any skin issue. You apply this, massage it, let it sink in your skin, then leave it for some minutes and then rinse it off. That is all. Just keep doing this for like 2-3 times a week and you will see a very, very drastic change on your skin. So I have tons of videos on my channel. Do what to check them out. That is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.